Today we are learning about multiplication. I'm going to teach you how to use the grid method strategy with up to 4 digits times by 2 digits. First, let's read our question. 2,693 multiplied by 24 equals. The first thing we need to do is partition the numbers using our knowledge of place value. Let's start with our 2,693. In this number, we know we have 2,000s, we have 600s, we have 9 tens, which is 90, and we have 3 ones. The number that we are multiplying by always goes down the side in our grid. So we know in the number 24, we have 2 tens, which is 20, and we have 4 ones. Now we can start multiplying our numbers together. To help with this, it's easier if you multiply the tables part of the question and then add in your zeros. For instance, for 20 times by 2,000, we can work out 2 times by 2, which is 4. And we can count up the number of zeros in our question. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need to make sure we have those 4 zeros in our answer. We have 40,000. For 20 times by 600, we do 2 times by 6, which is 12. And 1, 2, 3 zeros in the question, so 3 zeros in the answer. 20 times by 90, so we do 2 times by 9, which is 18. 1, 2 zeros. And we do 20 times by 3, 2 times by 3, which is 6. And 1 0. We now move down to our column underneath and we complete the same. So 4 times by 2,000 is 4 times by 2, which is 8. 1, 2, 3 zeros. For 4 times by 600, we do 4 times by 6, which is 24, and add our 2 zeros. For 4 times by 90, we do 4 times by 9, which is 36. We have 1 0. And for 4 times by 3, we have the answer, 12. The next part of our operation is to use the column method of addition to add up all of our answers. We need to make sure they are set out correctly underneath the correct column headings. So I know I have 40,000, I have 12,000, I have 1,800, whoops, I have 8,000, I have 2,400, I have 360, I have 60, and I have 12. The final step is to add each column up. We have lots of zeros in our ones, so we go all the way down to the bottom to our numbers. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, add 2, which gives us 2 ones. In our tens, we have 0 tens, add 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 6 tens, which is 6 tens. 6 tens, add 6 tens, which is 12 tens. And 12 tens, add 1 10, which is 13 tens. And the number 13 tens, we have 3 tens, and we have 100, which we carry over. When we get to our hundreds column, we have 0 hundreds add 0 hundreds, add 800s, which is 800. 800s add 400s, which is 1200s. 1200s add 300s, which is 1500s. Add 100, which is 1600s. In the number 1600s, we have 600s, and we have 1,000, which we carry over. We can then add our thousands. So 0 thousands add 2,000 is 2,000, add 1,000 is 3,000. 3,000 add 8,000 is 11,000. 11,000 add 2,000 is 13,000. Add 1,000 that we carried before is 14,000. In the number 14,000, we have 4,000. We have 1 10 of 1,000, which we carry over. In this column, we have 4 tens of thousands, add 1 10s of thousands, which is 5 10,000s, add our carried over, which is 6 10,000s. So therefore, our answer to 2,693 times by 24 is 64,632.